Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today I am taking you in a dreamy world of Shabby Chic garden decorating, where soft colors, vintage charm, and a little bit of beautiful imperfection come together. If you love cozy, romantic outdoor spaces filled with flowers, old treasures, and cottage style vibes, then this video is just for you. Here are some simple but beautiful tips to create a charming Shabby Chic garden. Start with a perfectly imperfect look. Don't aim for neat or polished. Let paint chip naturally. Mix old and new items. A slightly worn look creates that cozy vintage feel. Choose soft, romantic plants. Go for roses, lavender, hydrangeas, and daisies. Mix different heights and let them grow freely. Add hanging baskets for extra softness. Use old furniture creatively. Place an old chair as a plant stand. Use a small vintage table for a tea corner. Even a broken ladder can become a flower display. Repurpose everyday items. Turn simple things into decor. Teacups into mini planters. Tin cans into painted flower pots. Old trays into garden displays. Add soft lighting. Use fairy lights or string lights around plants. Hang lanterns on trees or hooks. Add candles for a cozy evening vibe. Bring in soft fabrics. Use floral cushions on chairs. Add lace or cotton table covers. Keep colors light and faded for a vintage touch. Create a cozy corner. Make a small sitting area. Add 2 chairs, a tiny table, and plants around. This becomes your relaxing garden spot. Layer your decor. Don't place everything at one level. Use shelves, crates, and stands. Hang some items and place others on the ground. This makes the garden look full and interesting. Mix flowers with herbs. Don't use only decorative flowers. Combine them with herbs like basil, mint, rosemary. They add fragrance and a natural cottage feel. Plus, they are useful. Add a vintage focal point. Every garden looks better with one eye-catching pitch. An old window frame, a rustic earth with climbing roses, a distressed door as a backdrop. This gives your garden a story-like look. Use baskets and oven elements. Place wicker baskets filled with flowers. Hang small baskets on the walls or fences. Use them for both storage and decoration. It adds warmth and texture. Add nature-inspired details, birdhouses or bird feeders, small water bowls for birds, butterfly-friendly plants. This brings life and movement into your garden. Make a tea time corner. Add a tiny table with floral cups. Use a lace cloth, surround it with flowers. Perfect for relaxing. Add evening charm. Solar lights along pathways, hanging bulbs or fairy lights, a few candles in jars. Your garden should feel magical at night too. Keep it light and airy. Avoid dark, heavy items. Stick to light woods, white or pastel tones. Open a space between decor. Create collected over time corners. Instead of decorating everything at once, style small sections one by one. Mix pieces that look like they were added over years. Leave a little empty space so each corner can shine. Use climbing and trailing plants generously. Add climbers on fences, arches, or walls. Let trailing plants spill from pots and baskets. This creates that soft, flowing cottage look. Decorate with glass details. Use old glass bottles or jars as vases. Choose clear or slightly tinted blue or green glass. Group them together for a delicate vintage vibe. Use repetition for harmony. Pick 2 or 3 main colors or materials and repeat them. Same color pots in different sizes. Repeating flowers like roses in multiple spots. This ties everything together beautifully. Keep tools stylish too. Even practical items can match your theme. Use a vintage style watering can. Store tools in a wicker basket. Display instead of hiding them. Layer lighting for depth. Instead of one light source, combine fairy lights plus lanterns plus candles. Place them at different heights. This creates a warm, dreamy evening glow. Play with time-worn layers. Make things look like they have aged naturally. Combine faded paint plus rust plus soft fabrics. Don't clean everything perfectly. Slight wear adds charm. Let metal items develop a natural patina. Mix elegant plus rustic pages. Balance is key. Pair a delicate chair with a rough wooden table. Combine iron furniture with soft cushions. This contrast makes the space more interesting. Create a garden pathway. Use old bricks, stones, or even wooden slices. Let brush or small plants grow between them. Line the path with flowers or lanterns. It instantly gives a storybook feel. Build a mini display table. Style a small table like a vintage scene. Add teacups, a teapot, and flowers. Include a lace cloth or tray. Change it seasonally for fresh looks. Use soft white as a base. White is the heart of Shabby Chic. White pots, furniture, and fences. Then layer pastel colors on top. This keeps everything light and cohesive. Highlight small details. Little touches make a big difference. Painted pot ends, ribbon tied around chairs, tiny signs or labels. This give personality. Create a soft color flow. Instead of random colors, start with white or cream. Blend into blush pink or lavender. Add tiny hints of green. Let colors gently flow across the space. It feels calm and intentional. Use reflections smartly. Place a vintage mirror where it reflects flowers or light. Use glass jars near sunlight. This makes your garden feel bigger and brighter without adding clutter. Let some areas stay undone. Not every corner needs decor. Leave a small wildflower patch. Allow vines to grow freely on one side. This contrast makes styled areas stand out more. Use faded elegance accessories, slightly worn lace, soft floral prints, washed out ribbons. Avoid anything too shiny or new looking. Create tiny surprise spots. Add small hidden details. A teacup with flowers tucked in a corner. A tiny lantern under a plant. These little discoveries make your garden feel magical. Think about nighttime mood. Keep lighting warm, not too bright. Focus on soft glow, not full brightness. Highlight 2 or 3 key areas instead of everything. Thanks for watching the video.